If you're aiming to get monetized on YouTube quickly in 2025, it's essential to understand both the platform's requirements and the most effective strategies for growing your channel. With millions of creators on the platform, competition is fierce, but by using the right approach, you can meet YouTube's monetization criteria and start earning faster. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to accelerate your YouTube journey and achieve monetization quickly. Meet YouTube's monetization requirements. Before jumping into the strategies for fast monetization, it's important to be clear on YouTube's requirements. As of 2025, you need to meet certain criteria in order to apply for monetization. These include having at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel, which shows YouTube that you have a loyal and engaged audience. In addition, you must accumulate 4,000 watch hours over the last 12 months. This metric ensures that people are watching your videos for extended periods, which is a good indicator of valuable content. Lastly, you need to have an AdSense account to get paid, and your channel must comply with YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. Meeting these requirements may take time, but implementing a focused strategy can help you reach them faster. Focus on high-quality content. One of the most important factors in growing the YouTube channel and reaching monetization quickly is the quality of your content. In 2025, viewers are more discerning than ever before, and they expect high production values, engaging storytelling, and relevant content. Creating videos that offer value, whether through entertainment, education, or problem solving, is key. When you produce quality content, you not only attract more viewers but also increase the likelihood of your videos being shared, which helps you reach new audiences. In addition to high-quality visuals and sound, it's important to find a niche that aligns with both your passions and the interests of potential viewers. Creating content around a specific topic or theme can help you build a dedicated audience that's more likely to subscribe. A strong niche gives you a clear direction and helps you stand out among the competition. Furthermore, make sure your videos have compelling titles and thumbnails that clearly convey what your video is about. First impressions matter, so take time to craft attention-grabbing titles and designs that encourage people to click. Post consistently. Consistency is a vital component of building a successful YouTube channel. The more videos you post, the more opportunities you create for your content to be discovered, and the higher the chances you'll have of meeting the required 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. When you post consistently, YouTube's algorithm is more likely to favor your channel, which can lead to increased visibility. To maintain consistency, consider creating a content calendar or posting schedule. Aim to upload videos regularly, whether it's once a week, twice a month, or more frequently. The key is to find a rhythm that you can maintain. Consistency doesn't only apply to video uploads, but also to the content itself. Stick to a theme or style that your audience comes to expect, and always aim for quality over quantity. If you're short on time, batch your content creation. You can record several videos in one sitting and schedule them for future uploads. This ensures you always have content ready to go, even on your busiest days. Optimize your content for search. Search engine optimization is essential for growing your YouTube channel quickly. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, so optimizing your videos for search is a powerful way to increase your chances of being discovered by a broader audience. Proper SEO can help your videos appear in search results, suggested videos, and even trending topics. Start by doing keyword research to identify popular search terms related to your niche. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even Google Trends to find relevant keywords. Once you've identified these keywords, incorporate them naturally into your video title, description, and tags. A well-optimized video is much more likely to show up in search results when someone looks for content in your niche. Write detailed descriptions that provide context for your video. This not only helps with SEO, but also informs your audience about what to expect from the content. Don't forget to include links to related videos or social media profiles in the description to increase engagement. Promote your videos on social media. While YouTube is a powerful platform for reaching audiences, promoting your content on other social media platforms can significantly speed up the process of gaining subscribers and watch time. By sharing your videos on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter, You can reach new viewers who may not have discovered your content otherwise. Social media platforms allow you to create short snippets, behind-the-scenes footage, or teasers that entice people to visit your YouTube channel. Collaborating with other creators in your niche is a great way to expose your channel to new audiences. By cross-promoting with creators who have a similar or larger audience, you can quickly boost your subscriber count and gain more exposure. Cross-promotion can be done through guest appearances, shoutouts, or joint projects, and it helps both channels grow in the process. Engage actively with your audience. Building a loyal community around your YouTube channel is crucial for long-term success. Engaging with your audience not only helps foster a sense of connection, but also encourages people to subscribe and return for more content. When viewers feel like their comments or opinions matter, they're more likely to become repeat viewers. Make sure to reply to comments on your videos as much as possible. This shows viewers that you value their engagement and helps build a positive community. Additionally, encourage interaction by asking questions in your videos, prompting viewers to share their thoughts in the comments or running polls and Q&A sessions. Responding to comments and engaging in meaningful conversations can help build a stronger relationship with your audience. It's also important to ask for feedback on your content. Use viewer suggestions to improve your videos and demonstrate that you're listening to your audience. Create shareable content. Another effective way to increase your chances of getting monetized quickly is by creating content that's easily shareable. Shareable videos are those that resonate deeply with viewers, making them want to pass the content along to their friends, family, or followers. The more people who share your videos, the more your reach expands, bringing in new subscribers and increasing watch time. To make your content more shareable, focus on creating videos that either entertain or provide value. Timely content that taps into current trends or viral challenges is often shared widely. Emotional content, whether it's uplifting or humorous, is also highly shareable. Think about what would make someone hit the share button and create videos with that in mind. Use YouTube ads to boost exposure. If you have the budget, running YouTube ads can be an effective way to accelerate your path to monetization. YouTube's advertising platform allows you to target specific demographics, interests, and locations, ensuring your videos reach the right audience. By running ads on your videos, you increase the chances of attracting new subscribers and boosting watch time. To get the most out of YouTube ads, set a reasonable budget and monitor the results. Start small with ads, and as you see positive results, gradually increase your spending. Ads are an investment, but if done correctly, they can give your channel the boost it needs to hit monetization milestones quickly. Analyze your analytics and adapt. Once you start uploading content, it's important to keep track of your channel's performance. YouTube Analytics provides detailed insights into which videos are performing well, your audience's demographics, and what's driving traffic to your videos. By analyzing your data, you can identify trends and adjust your content strategy accordingly. If you notice that certain types of videos are generating more views and engagement, consider creating more of that content. Likewise, if a particular video format or topic isn't resonating with your audience, use that feedback to improve future content. Staying flexible and adapting to your audience's preferences can help you grow faster. Consistency and patience pay off. Getting monetized on YouTube in 2025 requires dedication, but by following the right strategies, you can speed up the process. Focus on high-quality, engaging content, maintain a consistent posting schedule, optimize for search, and promote your videos across multiple platforms. Don't forget to engage with your audience and create shareable content that drives traffic to your channel. Finally, analyze your performance and adapt based on what works best for your viewers. Remember, YouTube monetization is a marathon, not a sprint. By staying committed and following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goal of monetization in no time. Keep creating, keep engaging, and success will follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel in 2025.